Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a very useful religious app that every Muslim should have. It is the eTasbih app developed by Soft. It will help you increase your Zikr. It will help you utilize a lot of your time that you waste during the day. Friends, it has got a lot of useful features, so hear me out. Watch this video till the end. We will go through all the features quickly so that you can straight away start using this app. Let's get started. Let's install it. Type eTasbih in your Google Play Store or Apple Store, and this is the green icon, and go ahead and install it. I have already installed it and I'm gonna open it from here. Once you install it, you will see the menu on the left side. There are a list of phrases. You have got the phrases like Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, Astaghfar, Astaghfirullah, Rabbi min kulli zamir wa atubu ilay, and some long phrases and short phrases. You can add new phrases by clicking on the plus on the top. You click the plus, you type your phrase and click on OK, and you can start using the new phrase. After that, you have the groups. It has names of Allah, multiple 99 names of Allah, names of Prophet, and group Tasbihat. Okay, the third option is the Tasbih. It is the current Tasbih that you are doing. So before moving ahead, let me show you how to use it from any phrase. Select the desired phrase and you can start doing the Tasbih by manually tapping on the screen periodically, or you can set it up to count without tapping the screen. We will see that later in the video. So there are multiple options here when you're doing the Tasbih. The play and pause button, if you are doing the Tasbih, it will be in play. If you stop the tapping the phone, it will stop after the timeout. And secondly, there is a automatic Tasbih. Here we have two ways to do it. One is to press the white dot and do your desired Tasbih 3 times. After that, it will start counting the Tasbih periodically after a delay. Like if you count Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zamir wa atubu ilay 3 times, and now it will start counting depending on your reading speed. There are some phrases that could take a long time, so it will count slowly and based on your reading speed. And the bottom second line is has the options of target. First icon is for target, setting up the target, what targets you want to set, 100, 200, 300. The second option, the plus icon, is the increment, how much you want the increment to be. The third one is the background counter. I mean, if you want to send the counter in the background, the app in the background, and run without and so that you can lock the phone, so you can use it to while on the move. The fourth one is to make the screen black, and the fifth is to make the screen black, but it will show you the counting numbers flashing periodically. And the third line of options are just for the interface change, like color, day and night mode, beads icon, and beep sound customization, and vibration after every 33, 66, 99 and 100 count. The feature of automatic periodic counting is very useful when you are doing any chores at home, normal work like laundry, driving, walking, or cleaning your room, or cooking, or even lying on the bed trying to sleep. You can start the counter and keep reciting the Tasbih, and literally you can do extra hundreds of tasbih each day by utilizing your time like this. Okay, going back to the menu, history phrases. Here you can check what all various tasbihat you have done in the past weeks and days. Like it's mentioned in the deen that consistent ibadat are much more valued. So by this way you can keep track of your tasbihat and improve your consistency. Here if you select any tasbih like a safar or anything, and if you click on that, and it will show you the count and all, and then you click on go back, it will show you the stats of the tasbih for last 1 week, 40 days, 365 days, how much you have done, and the daily average during that period. And the last option is the settings. In settings you can customize the complete interface, sound, vibration, English transliteration, themes, font, sizes, auto lock duration, etc. Rest of the features you can see in the description as well. This app has helped me a lot. You don't need to remember how much you have done in the morning, how much zikr you have done, and everything is recorded here, and you can increase your consistency as well. You can utilize the time you are doing any other household work. I have been using this app since few years now, and it has been really helpful and convenient. It motivates you to be more consistent and to do more. There you have it guys, the eTasbih app. Share this video and the app with your family and friends. If you found this video any useful, do hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and support the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.